My brothers and sisters, let us examine our current situation. Let us not repeat the same insane and fearful mistakes of our parents. Let us not participate in a political charade meant to give us the wispiest illusion of choice. We all should know at this point it's only rich versus poor. That is the true two-party system. The elites rule by deception and misdirection, by getting you to look where they want and think how they want you to think. There is ample evidence for any willing to look that not only is our media biased, but it is 100% controlled. Again, cleverly to conceal this, they create multiple media factions competing with each other, but all truly serving their elite overlords. We must self-organize, brothers and sisters. We have so much more power than them. Don't believe me? The current military of the United States of America is just around 2 million. Russell Brand has 5.7 million followers. Out of the 2 million service drones, only a fraction are sufficiently damaged and brainwashed to attack the citizenry. Let's be 100% clear, I am never, ever advocating violence. Only that we not fear their threats of violence. Only that we recognize the scope of our power. And this is only to look at it numerically. The power of consciousness and the power of love can change the equation. For if today 10 million Americans awake and in love converged on Washington, the force of our light would break their rule completely. We can rewrite the dream from underneath their feet. Our love can translate the very ground upon which they stand. And again, I mean this literally. Remember, love is not just an idea. If you don't know this firsthand, if you don't remember the feeling and power of love, if you cannot open yourself up to this ocean of energy which permeates all of creation, if fear has replaced love as the sovereign of your experience, then you must attempt to hear me when I say love is an actual energy, not just an idea. You must attempt to hear me when I say fear in contradiction is not an energy, but a distortion or translation or fragmented way of experiencing love. If you can start to grasp this and can begin to feel instead of think, one will begin to break the spell of fear which keeps us bound. United in the power, again, I speak of exponential power. Again, I reiterate that love is trillions and trillions of times more powerful than fear. And this is real, testable, and provable, and verifiable to the self. And this is what they want you to forget or never learn in the first place. A critical mass of us have already awoken to choose our path, to get to the finish line, or at least the end of this round or epoch. We only need to stay in the frequency of unconditional love. I repeat, if the current awakening collective was maintaining a consistent vibration of unconditional love, we would be a unified collective of power, capable of redreaming this dream completely. So this is our mission, each of us, to see all as the self and to love the self as all.